Many soldiers were often hungry. They ate crackers, water, and salt, and usually called it hardtack. Many were on the verge of starvation from little of much they ate. Most soldiers were either farmers, teachers, lawyers, shop owners, carpenters, or iron workers. The average soldier was a little over 5'8" inches tall with brown hair. Army of 2 million was made up of a little more than 21-year-old men. Settling in camps came with sanitation conditions worsening, and every 1 in 4 soldier never came home because of sanitation issues. Joining the war, there were 3 million soldiers that served in the Civil War. They had little food and often local water was fouled. When many joined, over 400,000 were either reported missing or were captured from other sides. Soldiers didn't have many opportunities. They usually wrote letters to their families, and drinking and gambling became a time passer. They locally played games like checkers, chess, and baseball. They would possibly create baseball teams. Cooking or slaughtering animals for food was one of their most opportunities that they used the most. During the battle, there wasn't very many treatment options, so most killed were killed of non-combat related diseases. For every 3 killed in battle, 5 died of disease. Wounds and illnesses were unnecessarily fatal. Every soldier killed in battle, 2 were killed by disease. Microfibers and viruses killed soldiers also, which caused disease to spread rapidly. Roughly 620,000 men died of disease. Soldiers usually affected many of their family members when dying came into the case, so many families had to find their loved ones on the battlegrounds because of soldiers being shot, being wounded, or even killed just because of diseases. And many soldiers returned home missing 1 or more limbs from either battle, having to have them amputated, or because they have been shot through them. With that, many of our military soldiers that we even have today suffer from post-traumatic stress disorder. Post-traumatic stress disorder is a condition of persistent mental and emotional stress occurring as a result of injury or severe psychological shock, typically including disturbance of sleep and constant vital recall of the experience with dulled responses to other and to the outside world. With that, many problems that people went through were uncared for because many did not care for the treated or for the non-treated. So many didn't get treated, and many live with post-traumatic stress disorder, and it's uncurable because of sequences that people have went through.